Looking to breathe new life into your Dell Latitude 3400? Today, we're checking out a replacement motherboard specifically designed for this laptop model. This particular board, compatible with the Dell Latitude 3400 SRFG 24205U and bearing the part number 07KGFX, 7KGFX, or CN 07KGFX, promises to be a solid option for those facing motherboard failure. This replacement board comes equipped with the SRFG 24205U CPU, making it a direct swap for systems with the same processor. Compatibility is key here, and it's explicitly stated that this board is designed for the Dell Latitude 3400 SRFG 24205U 17938-1. Before purchasing, it's crucial to double-check your laptop's model number and compare the provided pictures to your existing motherboard. This ensures you're getting the correct replacement and avoids any potential headaches down the line. The manufacturer, LTPRPTS, highlights that the board has been tested and is 100% functional. This is a significant reassurance, as a faulty replacement board can lead to further frustration. Furthermore, FHong provides a 120-day warranty against any manufacturing defects. This warranty offers a safety net, allowing you to address any potential issues that may arise within the first few months of use. The board utilizes a Socket P PGA 478 CPU socket and is compatible with Intel Core 2 Duo processors. It also features an Intel HM47 chipset and is designed for the Windows 10 platform. The main power connector is a standard 20-pin type. While this replacement motherboard seems promising, remember that replacing a laptop motherboard is an advanced repair. If you're not comfortable with disassembling and reassembling your laptop, it's best to seek professional assistance. Incorrect installation can cause further damage and potentially void any warranty. Overall, this replacement motherboard appears to be a viable option for reviving a Dell Latitude 3400. The included CPU, compatibility assurances, testing claims, and warranty provide a degree of confidence. However, always exercise caution and ensure proper installation to avoid any complications.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.